Hello children, today we are going to learn Standard 2 GK lesson number 18 Let's Dance and lesson number 19 Constellations. So now let's get started with lesson number 18 Let's Dance, page number 20. Children, can you see there are some images of different dance forms and they come from India. This dance form belongs to Indian. They are Indian dance forms and India is very rich in art and culture. So come on, let's discuss about this dance forms and from where it's originated. Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam is one of the oldest dance forms of India. It is from Tamil Nadu. So Bharatnatyam is an oldest dance form and it hails from Tamil Nadu. Kathak. Kathak is a dance from North India. So Kathak is basically from North India. Then comes Odissi. The state we live in is Odisha and it's Odisha's state's dance, that is Odissi. Odissi is an ancient dance form of India. It originated in the temples of Odisha. So it hails from Odisha and it's originated from the temples of Odisha only. Here can you see, this is Kathakali. The dance originated from the southern Indian state of Kerala. It is performed by men wearing colorful masks and costumes. So Kathakali dance is of South India, Kerala, and it is performed by men wearing colorful masks and costumes. Kuchipudi. The Kuchipudi dance form has its origin in the state of Andhra Pradesh. It is named after a village, Kuchipudi, where the dance form was born. So Kuchipudi dance is basically from Andhra Pradesh and it's named after the place or the village Kuchipudi. The Manipuri dance form is from the northeastern state of Manipur in India. It tells you stories of Radha and Krishna. So Manipuri dance is of Manipur. It's a northeastern state of Manipur in India. It tells, or this dance form is related or it's described as the story of Radha and Krishna. Now let us study the few dance forms popular in different parts of the world. These are the dance forms which are popular in the other parts of the world. The first is ballet. Ballet is a form of dancing that began in Italy. So ballet is from Italy. Salsa is a dance form of people of Cuba. It is famous across the world. Salsa is a very famous dance and it's from Cuba. Flamenco. Flamenco is a dance form of Spain. So flamenco is a dance form of Spain. The waltz is a dance form that began in Vienna, Austria. So waltz dance began in Vienna, Austria. So here is the word search. Find the names of above dance forms you learnt about. So what all dance forms you have learnt in this chapter, we have to find their names. I hope you will do it. Now let's start with the another chapter, that is lesson number 19, Constellations, page number 22. So children, what is a constellation? A constellation is a group of stars that forms a pattern in the night sky. At night we can see many stars in the sky, isn't it? And they form some patterns. So these patterns are called as constellation. Orion is the constellation that is very easy to spot. It's named after a hunter from Greek mythology. Orion is also called constellation and it's very easy to spot. It's named after a hunter from Greek mythology. Number A. Join the stars to see how Orion appears in the sky. So here the stars are made and I have already joined the line. So it looks like this. It looks like a hunter. Now come to B part. Name the following. The star closest to the earth is Sun. Number 2. The home of our solar system is Milky Way. Number 3. The stars that always points north is Pole Star. Number 4. The brightest star in the night sky is Sirius or Sirius. I hope you have understood this lesson. There is one more interesting fact about this lesson, that in India the pole star is known as Dhruv Tara. Thank you.